morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. I literally just woke up, so don't mind me, but today you guys are going to spend the day with me. I'm not working today, so I was like, thank god it's a Saturday, so we are gonna have some fun. Not really too much fun. I'm gonna have breakfast, get ready. I need to go Ikea because I need to try find some stuff for my brother, and then I need to look around and see how I want to decorate my house back in America. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to have dinner with some friends later tonight, so you guys are just going to spend the day with me, okay? First of all, I need to get rid of this under eye bags, and I'm going to have some breakfast quickly. You know, I never recorded spend the day with me, so today was the right idea for me. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys are new, my name is Suaad, and you know, subscribe and join the fam bam. If you want to follow me on my socials, then I'll put it down here below somewhere. But yeah, with no further ado, let's get going. So guys, I quickly got ready. I just did like a basic look, and I did like freckles. I don't know if you can see, but anyway, this is the look. I'm quickly going to get ready. I was meant to clean out my room today as well. Is literally a tip because I've been washing my clothes, trying to put stuff away and whatever. Headache, but I'll leave that for tomorrow or something, whatever. But let's get ready and get out of the house. Guys, I just got to Ikea. I was very lazy because I was trying to record some TikTok videos and stuff. I'm going to Ikea. I'm very excited. Gonna look around and see what kind of inspo I won. I recently did up my mom's house in March times before I got married and stuff. And what's it called? I did my shopping on Wayfair, on Ikea, on all these other websites that I used. But obviously, because I'm allowing my husband to do everything, I need to see everything so that I can tell him this is what you need to get. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys like what kind of inspo I'm looking for. I'm looking into Scandinavian interior decor. It's very simple, very plain, very white, beige kind of. That's what I'm going for. So that's what we're going to look into. I need to look for my brother's some little bed thing. If he's seen AJ's video for my brother's 15th birthday, he got him a new bed and stuff and everything, but the bed is missing the little thing that you put the mattress on top, so I need to go find him one. So yeah, and then I'm gonna meet my friend around 5 to go eat. We're gonna go rawsha. I went there for my birthday. Rahma showed me this place, and I'm telling you, that sushi that I ate, I don't know what it is. Literally the best sushi on this planet. Guys, this kitchen is literally amazing. This is the kind of kitchen that I'm looking for. This thing about wooden tables, I even got it for my mum, so this is the kind of table that I want to go for in the kitchen. American houses, they have like the storing cabinets things, and this is the kind of looks that I want to go for, like very plain, all black, everything stored. So this is very exciting to actually look at. Guys, I feel very awkward recording while I do all this, but we're just gonna try and see. But I'm very excited to actually look around and see what I can find. But I really like how this is set up. Like, do you see what I mean? And then you have all these different cabinet things. I'm very into like black and brown and beige and stuff like that, so that's the kind of look I'm going for. I just hope the house that he gets, because he's still looking for a house at the moment, so I just hope the house that he went for is very plain and very neutral colors, because that would be amazing. These are kind of dining tables, not dining table, these are the kind of tables that I want for my living room. How greenery this room looks. This is literally amazing. I don't really like the standard stuff, but this is, I would go for something like this, and then I'll get all those picture things over there. I'll do that. The L-shaped shape is really nice too, and this. I hope I don't go too crazy. I feel like the house that he's gonna get is like very plain, and then it's like an open plan living room and kitchen. I think that's what he's gonna be getting, because because I feel like that's what American houses are all about. So I think I just need to figure out, I just want to like look around, to be honest, and ask him to send me some pictures, and then I'll be able to go from there. So you know what, yeah, these cups are literally my kind of cups. I bought one the other day to try it out, but this is what's going to be in my kitchen. Imagine this marble table. Imagine how much cooking videos I can do, literally, and then the sink has the same kind of thing. Fantastic. I need like a white background thing because that means I can record easier in my videos. But pray for me that I get a nice looking house, because then the videos that I'm going to record are mad. When I say I'm obsessed with wood, this is the kind of wood that I'm obsessed with. It is literally £499, and it literally looks like this. This is the kind of dining table I want, and then it comes with these black chairs, and then you could choose what other colours that they have, but the black one goes really well with it. This is the kind of dining table I need. I quickly went home to quickly change my jacket because the jacket wasn't going with the jumper that I was wearing, so I went to go quickly get changed. Ikea was very exciting because I was really surprised at what I saw. At least it gave me an idea of how I want to hopefully decorate the house that I'm going to be living in, so that is very excited. I told him to send me some pictures and stuff of when he gets like the agreement and stuff, so I can see how the house looks. And so yeah, that's what I really did. The stuff that my mom wanted, I couldn't find it, so I just need to order it online for her. Now I need to go and find some stuff for my friend's baby shower. I was gonna say bridal shower, I always do this, but anyway, I'm planning my friend's baby shower's treats. I told her I'll do it, it's not a problem. So I'm trying to go find some stuff, hopefully planning to go B&M, but I really want to go Oxford Street, so I don't know, maybe we'll go Oxford Street and then I'll go B&M another day. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. If you know any ideas of what I should put in her treat box for the baby shower, let me know. And so yeah, let's go Oxford Street, I guess. When I went to Asda, the most embarrassing thing happened. So my mum asked me to go change a jacket that she got for my sister, but please tell me why she wrote my sister's name in the jacket, like inside, you know, on the label thing. And then so I go in, try and give her the receipt and everything. So yeah, I got the jacket from here. Then first of all, the, you know, the little tag came off where the price is on. So then my mum was in a rush trying to put it together. Please tell me why she picked up one of my Primark, the ones from a bag that I ripped off. She put that together with the George Asda, and then the lady looks at me, she goes, this from Asda, this from Primark, and I go, no, it's from Asda, da, da, da. So she opens the thing, and please tell me why she goes, you can't return this because there's a name inside. Please, I want to go in the ground to suck me in. It was a very embarrassing thing that I encountered, so I was like, I called my mom and I was like, you just put me in such an embarrassing situation, please tell me why. She just laughed. So I'm just walking to the station at the moment. I parked my car somewhere here because I'm not trying to drive to Oxford Street because there's never parking. Like, even if I drive, there's never parking. Anyways, I just found out something very exciting, but obviously I can't tell you guys till like next month, hopefully. So you guys just gotta wait and see what I'm talking about, but I'm very excited to be doing this. So yeah, hope you guys find out next month with me. Well, technically I know you are gonna find out and I'm gonna find out with you guys, do you know what I mean? But anyway, today, thank God, the weather is not that cold, so I'm just literally walking to the station, and then my friend is already there, which is really embarrassing. But anyway, I'm gonna go meet my friend, then we're gonna go Oxford Street. I'm looking for some new clothes. Guys, we just got to Elan. I already ate, so my friend ordered some chicken wings and what else did you order? Chips. Yeah, and chips. We never knew it was halal. Technically it's halal, so make sure you come here. And we're gonna have some milk cake.
Same as
my friend got boring lemonade, while I got like a TikTok drink. So my friend wants me to show you guys that there's little flowers in there. I got flowers and a passion fruit. If you pass out, I'll leave you here. I'm that loyal friend, guys. But anyway, this drink, it's sort of coming out.
How is it?
It looks like there's little fishes inside. It tastes nice. I like, now that I mixed it, it tastes more like passion fruit.
Okay.
Whatever the top part was dirty. But I wanted to get like an Instagrammable drink. Anyway guys, the chicken tasted like, what does it taste like? It tasted mad. It said it was sticky wings, but it was just wings and sauce. So at the moment we're having our milk cakes. I'm already full, first of all, but the milk cakes are actually banging. So we just got one lotus one and then one saffron one, and we're just sharing it, so it's fine. We're just doing half. So guys, I just got home. Oxford Street was really busy, and I was like, I couldn't even film in there, so I was like, you know what, let me not even try, because there was this one point where I saw this guy running after, it was his friend at the end, but he was running after this guy and he grabbed his phone, and then the guy looked back, so I thought, you know what, I'm not trying to get robbed in Oxford Street, so we're not going to record. So I went into a couple of shops. It was really busy, I don't know why. Anyway, I was going past Kiko's, and then they were doing buy 3 get 3 free. So obviously what do? I go into Kiko's. So I bought 3 items. I think what they do is they sell you the 3 highest ones and then you get the 3 lowest one for free. But I got like 2 lipsticks that are brown, and then like 1 nudish one, 1 brown one, and then I got 3 them glosses. The glosses are really good, so I got the glosses, and I got a lip liner too, so that's what I got. Anyway guys, I had the longest day. Can't wait to wash this makeup off and go into my bed, watch a Netflix movie or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I really enjoyed recording it. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, then let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video.